Hello guys, today we're going to do a quick UDK tutorial on how to create a ladder within UDK. The first thing that you're going to want is something to represent your ladder. So you're going to come up to the content browser here and open it. Limit your search to static meshes here just by clicking, and I recommend you search for fire escape. They're the most similar things to a ladder within UDK. There are no dedicated ladder meshes. You can import one, but that's covered in a later tutorial on how to import static meshes. So you're going to want to click on your selected mesh and drag it in. Just note this will work without a static mesh. A static mesh just looks better, and you can use any static mesh also. So I'm just going to drag it over to here, and I'm going to rotate it. Just press space to get into the rotational. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Then I'm going to push it flat against this. Doesn't really matter that it's embedded into this. Okay, so now the next thing that you're going to want is to get your red builder brush. I can see it's right here, but if you can't find it, there's this little shortcut here. Go to builder brush. Just click on it, and it brings you right to the builder brush. You're going to want to just drag that out slightly so that it's covering this entire area. Now you can use geometry mode, this is it here, to scale this perfectly. So we're just going to do that now. Go into your 4 views here. I recommend going into the top down view, and then just clicking on geometry mode. This pop-up will appear. You don't really need to change anything there. Make sure you're in world mode when using geometry mode, otherwise it can get quite messy. You're going to want to just select this line here and drag it in closer. Leave enough space. It needs to be quite large so it can actually register the player, but you don't want to leave it too large that it seems ridiculous. Okay, that's good. And we can just click out of geometry mode because it's the right size now, and we can go back into our normal view. So the next thing that we need to add is a ladder volume. Now to get a ladder, I'm just going to drag this out slightly more. To get a ladder volume, we come here, add volume, you click. So then you're going to want to click on ladder volume. Now the ladder volume has been added. You can't really see it here because the red builder brush is directly over it. So you're going to want to drag the red builder brush out of the way, and you see here there's a little pink volume left, and that is our ladder volume. Now if you're looking very closely, you can see this arrow here. You need to make sure that this is pointing against the surface that you want to climb up, otherwise the ladder volume will not work. To rotate this, we need to have the volume selected and press F4 to go into its properties. Come down into the ladder volume, drop down this menu, and then the wall dir or wall direction. And you're going to need to change the roll, pitch, or yaw, depending on how you want this to be pointing. I'm just going to change the yaw to see if that works by 90. And you see it moves, and you can see here that it's actually pointing into this. Okay, so that's actually perfect. So I'm just going to do a quick build. That's all good, and I'm going to play from here. There's our ladder. Let's see if it works. And it works perfectly. That's it guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please check out more videos on the Online Design Teacher YouTube channel.